5 ways to moisturize your dry hair. Although your body naturally moisturizes your hair, sometimes the natural moisturizing system may not be effective. Here are some effective ways to hydrate your dry tresses. Number 1 way is to use natural plant oils. Natural plant oils such as olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, macadamia nut oil, argan oil, castor oil, and avocado oil are excellent for moisturizing dry hair. Second way to moisturize your hair is to pre-condition before washing. Pre-conditioning your hair before washing helps to lock in moisture and protect your hair from the drying effects of shampoo. Third method, choose moisturizing shampoos and conditioners. Opt for shampoos and conditioners specifically designed to moisturize hair. Use a nourishing hair serum. Hair serums can provide an extra layer of protection and hydration for your hair. They can be applied after washing and conditioning. Number 5. Deep condition overnight. Applying a leave-in conditioner or hydrating hair oil and leaving it in overnight and provide intense hydration for your hair.